Hello there, I'm Sandy Rowley. I'm a local internet marketing coach here in Reno, Nevada. And this month I'm putting on a free internet marketing workshop just for businesses in the Reno, Nevada area. We're hosting this workshop at Swill Coffee and Wine. And if you're not familiar with Swill, you need to check them out. It's a great atmosphere. They're located off of Lakeside Drive. It's over there close to Virginia Lake. 3366 Lakeside Court. Anywho, so this month we're talking about what does it take to get sales in 2018 if you're a small business. All right. So some of the items that we're going to talk about are Facebook ads. Are they worth it? Are you going to, can you run a Facebook ad and make money at it? Lots of people are doing it. I'm doing it. I have customers that are doing it. I know that it works. But I hear a lot of small businesses that say, Facebook ads suck. They don't work. And I go, oh, you're making some, noob mistakes. And I can help you fix that. We're also going to talk about SEO, search engine optimization, and how that can help your customers find you in Google. So they go to Google and they do a quick search for, we'll just say Reno SEO, right? So SEO stands for search engine optimization. And if you search for Reno SEO, I'm number one here, in the map. I'm number one here. And then also here. Also, if you did a search for Reno web design, I'm number one for that as well. But the point of this is SEO right here. When someone goes to Google and they search for your services or products, are you number one? Are you anywhere to be found? Are you at the bottom of the page? Or you're not even in Google? So I teach you some simple SEO tips and tricks that you can do on your own to start building that SEO ranking because it's important. We talk about Facebook. Facebook is huge. Facebook is so super important right now, especially if you have a small business and you want to target people in the Reno, Nevada area. So at this workshop, we're going to talk about whatever it is that you want to hear about. If it's Facebook, if it's Pinterest, if it's Google, it's all open. You just need to say, hey, Sandy, I have a question. And then they're like, oh, I can help with that. I've been doing internet marketing for, 18 years. And I can prove that I know what I'm doing. This is one of my boards. So this is a new social network, well, kind of new. Pinterest, if you're not on Pinterest and most of your customers are women, you are so missing out. So come to the workshop, show up 10-15 minutes early, get a good seat, get yourself a cup of hot coffee or chai or a latte, and let's have some fun. Let's talk about marketing. Let's talk about what's working in 2018 because it changes. In my world with SEO that I do for clients around the world, it changes sometimes a couple of times a day. The big changes happen maybe once or twice every couple of months, but every day there's things that are happening, whether it's Google's updating, their how they display their listings, or Facebook decides to start a dating app, which they're doing, by the way. So super excited. But the point that I'm making, there's so many changes. You as a business owner, how in the world are you supposed to stay on top of all of this? So that's what I'm here for. So once a month, I give you an update. What's going on this month? What do you need to know about? How can you stay ahead of the competition? How can you outrank your competition to get the lion's share of the traffic in Google, the free traffic in Google? So make sure you click the link below and RSVP. You'll land on a page that looks like this. And make sure you put your name, your phone number, your email. And if you have a question, ask me. Usually, clients of mine that pay me $129 an hour to ask me questions. You get to do it for free. Make sure that you hop on this and get this done. If you share this video and comment and like, you're going to get a big surprise at the workshop. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but you'll be very happy. You'll be very happy. But again, you have to comment and share this video. And I'm going to teach you at the workshop why I, as an internet marketer, want you to do that. It has a little bit to do with free advertising for me, all right? Also at this event, I have hired a professional photographer to come and take pictures of everyone. So if you want to get some professional photos for yourself, for your website, hey, it's going to be free. It's kind of a good idea. You might want to show up a little bit early, do your hair, wear your, your favorite whatever, look really snazzy, but make sure you show up a little bit early because again, usually these workshops are packed. There's lots of people there. And if you want to get in and get a good seat, show up about 15 minutes early. Anyway, again, my name is Sandy Rowley. I am a local internet marketing coach, web designer, and social media manager. And again, this is a free internet marketing workshop where I can help you in your small business get some advice that actually works and get you some sales this year. Anyway, I hope to meet you in person on the 23rd. Have a good day.